Hello friends, today I am going to teach you cutting and stitching of apron. The measurement is like this: length 30.5 inch, shoulder to shoulder width 10.5 inch, shoulder length 8.5 inch, chest 46 inch, bottom width 23 inch, length of pocket 7 inch, width of pocket 9 inch, length of strips 2.5 meter. Length of joining the pocket from the top is 11.5 inch. This is my fabric. For an adult, we require near about 1 to 1.5 meter of fabric. If you are taking long strips, then take 2 meter of fabrics. If you are making strips by joining, then 1.5 meter is enough. First, fold fabric widthwise and take length plus 4 inch from the top, that is 30.5 plus 4 makes 34.5 inch. Make a straight line. Now at top, take half of shoulder to shoulder width plus 1 inch for swing seam at the bottom and sides, that is 10.5 divided by 2 plus 1 makes it 6.25 inch. Now from this point take shoulder length plus 2 inch for folding at the top, that is 8.5 plus 2 makes it 10.5 inch. Cross mark it by 6.25 inch. In this video, we don't do front arm cutting as it is a simple apron. At shoulder length, take 1/4 of chest plus 1.5 inch widthwise. That is 46 divided by 4 makes it 11.5 plus 1.5 is 13 inch. Mark at 11.5 and 13 inch. From 13 inch mark, do simple curving of arm round like this. Take same measurement widthwise at bottom, that is 13 inch, and join it in straight line. Now cut the chalk mark line. This is my 2.5 meter of fabric, and now I'll cut a straight 4 inch wide strip. It will be used in apron strips. After that, we do cutting of pocket. Take pocket length plus 2.5 inch, that is 7 plus 2.5 inch makes it 9.5 inch. In width, take width of pocket plus 1.5 inch, that is 9 plus 1.5 inch is 10.5 inch. Make a box and cut it. From this remaining cloth, make 2.5 inch wide slant strips which will be inserted at arm round, from which this long strip will be taken out. On stitching, first make 2 inch straight line widthwise on right side of the apron and fold it on the wrong side, then sew it. From sides, we took 1.5 inch extra, so mark 1.5 inch straight line on right side and fold it to the wrong side and sew it. After this, take slant strips and sew it with apron cloth matching right to right at arm round. Fold strip near about 1 inch at the top at the end of the arm round. Cut 1 inch extra strip when come to end and then fold it and sew it. Do the same at the other arm round. Now mark small cuts and make sure our stitching does not get cut. After that, fold it to the wrong side like this and sew it alongside the boundary. And do the same on the other side too. Now fold 0.5 inch and put it on the wrong side and sew it. After that, on pocket fabric, make 2 inch straight line widthwise and fold it to the wrong side like this. After that, fold ½ inch from the remaining 3 sides. Now take center of pocket at top and bottom. We are inserting pocket at 11.5 inch lengthwise. Mark it and take its center too. Then match pocket and apron center and mark alongside the pocket. I am marking straight line at center lengthwise so that bottom center of the pocket matches too. Mark corners and draw straight line. Now simply sew the pocket on the marked line. After that, from top, mark required length of the apron, that is 30.5 inch. Measure it and fold it to the wrong side from bottom. Now we fold our strips on wrong side like this, 0.5 inch from top, from left side and from right side, and then completely fold it like this and sew it straight. First sew and close the starting and sew the strip till 2.5 meter. At other end, fold the strip like this. After making strip, now insert it from arm round to other arm round like this by using suitable tool. This is our ready apron. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new here, then subscribe for more such videos. In next video, I will teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a simple way. Thank you.